Hey there! This video guide presents to you my campaigns page in TextPeak. Here, you will learn how to launch campaign creation, what each column in my campaigns table means, how to duplicate existing campaigns, and more. The campaigns section in the left side menu leads to my campaigns page. From here, you can start creating a new campaign. Just click Create New Campaign and follow steps from another guide. Below the Create button you can see a table with your SMS campaigns. Use the filters at the top to narrow your selection. Click on the campaign name to view its details, message delivery statistics, and custom domains used. Under the campaign name, you can see the date and time of its creation in UTC. In status you can see what is going on with a campaign. The draft status means that you haven't completed some of its creation steps. If a campaign is scheduled, it will start on your chosen date. A campaign becomes paused when you stop it manually. It gets the suspended status when it runs out of domains for short or opt-out URLs. You can add more domains and click Resume. Follow the link in the top right to learn more about domains. The system can reject an SMS campaign if its messages are abusive or fraudulent. Sending means that the platform is in the process of sending SMS messages. When completed, the campaign gets the finished status. The next column contains tags that you assign to the campaign while creating it. Use them in the search filter to promptly find what you need. In the Type column, you can see if the campaign was created to send outgoing messages only, or for two-way conversations. The Recipients column shows the number of sent messages against the total number of recipients. Hover over the progress bar to see how many of them clicked the link or opted out. CTR, or the click-through rate, is the percentage of people who clicked your link in the message after seeing it. The From column shows the sender ID, which is a name or number that SMS recipients see in the From field. In the Cost column, you see the total cost of all the messages sent within the campaign. In Action you can pause the ongoing campaign or resume the paused one. Use the three dots menu for more actions. To duplicate existing campaigns, remove them, view analytics and insights, and make changes to rejected campaigns or drafts. See you in our next guide about the real-time page with quick visual campaign overview. Good luck!